Morning everyone, I'm the Crypto Enthusiast and it is February 14th and this is just a quick video to really celebrate that we have broken above $9,000 US. I noticed about an hour ago that we had crossed, and just in the last 15 minutes we've gone above 9,200 and are just cruising higher. I turned on the computer and it was 9,100, and by the time I got set up to this video, it's $9,254 right now. That's $742 gain within a maximum of 84 minutes. That's incredible. That's because I'm looking at a 4-hour candle right now, and there is 2 hours and 35 minutes left on that candle. So that's really nice. We can see that Bitcoin the bulls have been trying to push above 9,000 here and here, even back here, like several times within the past 48 hours. And one of the reasons that I believe Bitcoin's going higher, and one of the reasons I'm bullish, is because Coinbase announced they're going to implement SegWit. They said they'd have it done by the end of the month, and they'd also be doing batching. They also said they'd be implementing Lightning Network too. And if you go to their website, you can read about that and how they're hiring. Well, they've been hiring for a while, but senior developers, back-end developers, to implement that. And because Coinbase is literally the McDonald's of Bitcoin right now, that's the way it is. Coinbase does so much volume regarding Bitcoin. And remember, trades done on Coinbase aren't on the main chain, but still, just people putting their Bitcoin onto Coinbase and taking it off to put onto their hardware wallets, or to put onto other exchanges, or just to hold. Because nobody likes to have their private keys held onto an exchange. There's just so much volume that they contribute to the main chain. And when they implement SegWit and batching, we can expect double-digit gains on regarding SegWit adoption. That's going to be an impetus for a huge driver in the Lightning Network and the entire infrastructure that is required for Lightning, which is the SegWit adoption. And also Bitcoin Core is coming out with their latest wallet, the SegWit wallet. We've been waiting months for that, and I believe it's 96% complete. It said 98% complete the other day, and I'm excited for that because that's just about, I'm not sure which one's the bigger one, Bitcoin Core's new wallet, the SegWit wallet, or Coinbase. Both implementing SegWit at the same time, though, is going to really just be a synergy, and it's going to drive the markets higher. If SegWit, the announcement of SegWit being implemented in August, after we fought for 2 years to have SegWit, with the user-activated soft fork finally winning it, was the impetus for such a rise in Bitcoin's price, and then all the other cryptocurrencies following suit. Lightning is going to, I feel Lightning has the potential to dwarf that. I really do. The name Lightning sells itself. I love Lightning. I think it's so cool because it gives us anonymity, it gives us instant transactions, and they're free. Take a look at this. This is the Lightning Network right now. I'll zoom out a bit. This has gone on the mainnet less than a month ago. That's huge. I encourage anybody to check out this website. I check it out daily to see how fast it's growing. When I started looking, there was, you can see here, there was about 50 nodes when I started going to this website, lnmainnet.gavin. It's now gone up to 688. My first video was when there was about 400 nodes, and it was just, I was so inspired the more I started learning about Lightning Network. And just recently they did the first multi-path atomic swap on the Lightning Network. And when you think about that, that is literally more interesting than Star Trek at this point. It reminds me of Star Trek with the teleporters. beaming someone Bitcoin and them beaming you Litecoin without any exchange or intermediary and for free. Still, thus far, the total fees on the entire Lightning Network are too tiny to calculate. That's really cool. So that's why I think Bitcoin is mooning right now, which is so cool. Let's just see where it's at in real time. 9,250. That's really cool. Up 8.67% for the day. And let's hope it keeps going. This really changed a lot of the charts. The technicals, if we hold this or even just stay above 9,000 today, this changes the charts and the technicals going forward. This is a big day. So have a great day, guys. And I wish you all the best.